Sprite is a popular lemon-lime flavored carbonated soft drink, and it is typically made using a combination of the following key ingredients. Carbonated water. Carbonated water is the base of most soft drinks, including Sprite. It is water that has been carbonated with carbon dioxide gas under pressure to create the characteristic fizzy and effervescent quality of the beverage. High fructose corn syrup, HFCS, or sugar. Sweeteners like high fructose corn syrup or sugar are added to provide the sweetness that balances the tartness of the lemon and lime flavor. The type of sweetener used can vary by region and market preferences. Citric acid. Citric acid is added to provide the tart, citrusy flavor associated with Sprite. It enhances the lemon and lime taste. Natural and artificial flavors. A blend of natural and artificial flavors is used to recreate the lemon and lime flavor profile. These flavors give Sprite its refreshing taste. Sodium citrate. Sodium citrate is often used as a buffering agent and to control acidity, helping maintain the desired pH level and flavor stability. Sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is a preservative that helps prevent the growth of bacteria and molds in the beverage, extending its shelf life. The production process for Sprite generally involves the following steps. Water treatment. The water used is treated to ensure it meets quality and safety standards. Mixing. The sweeteners, citric acid, natural and artificial flavors, and other ingredients are mixed together to create a syrup. Carbonation. Carbon dioxide is dissolved into the water to create carbonated water, which is then added to the syrup mixture. Pasteurization. The mixture is pasteurized to kill any potential bacteria or microorganisms and ensure product safety. Filtration. The beverage is typically filtered to remove any solid particles or impurities. Filling. The finished Sprite product is filled into bottles, cans, or other containers. Sealing. The containers are sealed to maintain carbonation and prevent contamination. Quality control. Quality control checks are performed to ensure the product meets the desired taste, carbonation level, and safety